Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into how to change your email on Dropbox in 2025. Whether you're switching emails for better security, a job change, or just a fresh start, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Dropbox account. If you're on the web version, head to Dropbox.com and sign in with your current credentials. If you're using the mobile app, open it up and tap your profile icon in the corner. Once you're in, the key is to navigate to your account settings. On the website, click on your profile picture in the top right, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the app, it's usually under the Account tab. Look for the gear icon. Now, in the Settings page, scroll down until you find the Email or Account Information section. This is where the magic happens. Click on the option to change your email address. You'll be prompted to enter your new email. Double-check it for accuracy to avoid any headaches later. Dropbox might ask you to verify your identity, so be prepared to enter your password or a two-factor authentication code. After you've entered the new email, hit Save or Update. Dropbox will send a verification email to your new address. Open that email and click the confirmation link to complete the process. That's it. You've successfully updated your email. Remember, this might log you out, so log back in with your new details if needed. One quick tip. Always keep your old email accessible just in case, as some services use it for recovery. If you run into any issues, Dropbox's Help Center is a great resource. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.